What if Mother Nature was closer than you think, observing and waiting for us to notice, present in every tree, every leaf, and in every stone we carry, gently guiding us through the day? I feel your presence. I see you in the sky and in every tree I pass by on my way to work, growing in the concrete, planted against their will, but carrying all the wisdom of the world, bringing me messages from the collective, kindly reminding me of the resilience and love you have for us. Mother Nature is always here. Beneath the concrete jungle, the earth's soil still pulses.